That's my name in that book. Hi, I'm Vin. Welcome to Colorfield Media. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. It helps me out, helps the channel out. I appreciate it. Thanks in advance. So today I wanted to talk to you about the importance of audio with video and how they go hand in hand. It's a partnership. You know, you can't have a great film. To me, you can't have a great film without great audio. I'll give you a little bit of background on me. I started in the music industry years ago. I was signed by the creators of Woodstock for a few years. Worked with John Lennon's engineer, people that did Breaking Benjamin and Paramore albums. And I'm not saying any of this to brag in any way. I just want you to understand the importance of audio to me and how deep in that world I was. I was entrenched in music, you know, that's where my background is. Before I got into music, I was a film kid, you know. I was that Martin Tupper kid. If you get that reference, you know what I mean, you know. I was raised by the television, and it was awesome, you know. I loved it. I must have seen Jaws 300 times, and, you know, I was the kid staying up late to watch John Carpenter films and Wes Craven, and, you know, but you can't watch Jaws without hearing that John Williams theme. You can't see Nightmare on Elm Street without hearing Freddy's nails on the pipe or that creak as he comes out over the bed through the wall. To me, audio goes hand in hand with video. It's just as important. And I think a lot of filmmakers, I don't want to say a lot, but I've seen some recently that tend to forget that. And, you know, that dialogue will be scooped in the middle and tucked below the music, and key plot points, you're like, wait, what? What did he say? What? Are you kidding? What? So, yeah, audio is just as important as video. It's true what they say. You can watch a video if the video is not great, but the audio is solid. But if the audio is jacked and the video is good, I can't watch it. If you can, you're a better person than me. I just can't do it. It's just my ears, they won't let me enjoy it. So anyway, what I've done over the past few days is I went out and filmed a few scenes, and I wanted to show you the impact changing music can have on the vibe of the scene, you know, and rather than talk about it, I want to show you, and you'll understand what I mean. I hope you understand. So I'll see you back here in a little bit. So hopefully you understand what I was trying to convey there and the impact that music and sound can have on a scene, you know, as much as color grading and as much as acting and the story. Don't get me wrong, if you don't have story, you don't have anything. So know that. Story is forefront, you know, it's paramount. But audio and video, they rock hand in hand. They're a partnership. So don't forget that. When you're out there shooting your short film, when you're out there shooting your feature or your YouTube video, keep sound in the front of your mind, right there along with cinematography and the shot, you know. Think about sound. So that's all I have this week. I'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.